How we going? It's Harry again from Edencraft Boats. Testing another customer's boat before he takes delivery. So it's a 565. It's got a two-tone black side on it, 12-inch Simrad. We've got a 502 vessel view on it, anchor winch, trim tabs, all the necessities. It's set up basically for Bay, Western Port and Port Phillip Bay and a bit of offshore work. So we're out here today just doing our first water test, which is part of our procedure, and just making sure everything's working. I've given her a bit of a run already, and beautiful, like all the 565s. Goes really well. Side onto this chop, we've got about I don't know, 10 to 15 knot. Bit of a chop, about a 2 to 3 foot chop, and side on, following into, yeah, no problem at all. Just eats it all up. But hydraulic steering, this one's actually got a mechanical driven 225 Mercury in the V6. Beautiful engine. You can opt for either the DTS or the mechanical cabling, there's not much difference. But motor's still the same engine. And looking forward to hand this one over to Rob. Good on you, Rob. It won't be long, mate. Hopefully by the weekend you'll have your boat.